This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chancey. Second floor 2-bedroom 2-bathroom. Nice floor plan. Updated kitchen. Great location. Nice screened porch. Tiled flooring throughout, no carpeting. Some painting will be required. Easy maintenance with the H.O.A covering most everything on the outside: paint, roofs, pest, insurance, lawn, trash, even water/sewer is included. You'll enjoy all the activities offered at Woodside. Heated community pool and clubhouse. Centrally located, walk to shops and restaurants, WAL-MART, ALDI. Close to I-95, 15 minutes to the beaches. For more information, review the details below.